What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the Mechanical Garden. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I built this workbench that hides 2 litter boxes underneath and also has some room for tool storage. Before we get started on today's video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Garden, and check out my Instagram channel at Mechanical Garden. I'm just getting started, but I have a lot of cool DIY products on the go, such as this hydroponic system I'm building, a DIY grow light, ventilation system for my grow tent, and a lot of other new projects coming soon. So let's get back to our video. So the main reason for building this workbench was to hide these 2 litter boxes and also take care of the smell that comes with litter boxes. So what I have done is I have put a hole in the back that is hooked up to a ventilation system where there is a 4-inch fan that is on 24/7 and it continuously blows air straight out the window. Now this fan is hooked up to a fan speed controller and it's on its lowest setting at all times, but if I want, I can crank it up to high. On high, it's capable of 190 cubic feet a minute. only one more thing I need to add, and that will be this 4-inch inline fan capable of 190 CFM. So this fan's actually pretty neat. I was a little skeptical of it at first just because how inexpensive it was. And it came with its own fan speed controller, which I was also skeptical of. But you know what? On first impression, it seemed pretty weak because that's full blast. But it seems to increase in RPM if you increase the air resistance. So that's pretty cool. And then of course you could dial it right down, and it's super quiet. I just need to bolt it to the ceiling. I think I'm going to use this piece of scrap wood, and the mount that it came with, I'm just going to screw that to there. Right now the fan's running and you can barely hear it. It's actually on full blast. So I can dial it right down, make it super quiet. Or I can crank it full blast. That's off. That's on. That's it for today's video. Thanks everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.